Thank you for considering me as a speaker. You're probably wondering, who's Cynthia Lockrey and why should we work with you? I'm a change maker and communications expert with over 25 years of experience. I've worked in public relations, corporate communications, emergency management, journalism, post-secondary instructor, as well as advocating for individuals with disabilities. I'm driven to help people strengthen their communication skills and advocate for change. My presentations focus on soft skills training. And let's face it, this is an area that's often overlooked. There's lots of opportunities for people to develop their technical or clerical skills, but limited opportunities to grow how they communicate. Yet the lack of soft skills can be challenging. The analytical, detailed presenter doesn't know how to use storytelling to make that personal connection. That media spokesperson who flopped their interview didn't understand how to use key messages to be focused on what they're saying or the importance of body language. And that family that's making waves, well, they're probably overwhelmed with the information being provided and don't have the skills needed to advocate effectively. This is where I can help. I share my real-life experience as a professional communicator, newspaper editor, and mom of an autistic child. I provide practical tips and resources so people can implement the learnings right away. I also have ebooks and worksheets that participants can reference to make sure that the learnings are kept top of mind. Most importantly, I'm relatable. My presentations are engaging, practical, and memorable. And by using storytelling, I help ensure that people retain the key learnings when the presentation is over. I don't speak as a person who knows everything, but rather I share my challenges and successes along the way, just like we all have. And the part that you'll appreciate is every presentation is customized to meet the unique needs of the audience. While I do have some core presentations, how they're delivered, the stories I shared are always customized to meet the needs of the audience and the key learnings that you want to have. For this reason, I've delivered my presentations to some organizations multiple times, and yet I still have attendees come up and say, "Wow, I learned something new today that I can't wait to implement." If you're looking for a speaker who can connect with the audience, provide practical skills, and inspire people to make a change, then I'd love to talk with you.